So these pictures are using the exact same prompt, except the style are different. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an amateur looking photo using ChatGPT. So the first thing that you need to do is that you have to open ChatGPT and then log in with your account. And here I want to create a picture of someone playing a skateboard at night. Let me type the prompt first. A picture of someone riding a skateboard at night. So that's basically the description of the picture. Now we have to apply, or we have to put some prompts that will make ChatGPT to generate a more amateur looking photo. So this is a list of prompts that you could use. There's actually even more than this, but this is the simplified version that you could use. So you can use this prompt, you can also use this, or maybe even this. It's up to you. I'm going to leave all the prompts in the video description, but for this example, I'll try to use this basic prompt. Now I'm going to copy this, and after that I'm going to specify that this is going to be the style for the picture. Let's type style, and then you can paste the prompt. Now click tools and enable create an image and send a message to ChatGPT and just wait for it to create the picture. Alright, so this is the result. It is definitely look like an amateur photo, and yeah, it's a bit blurry. Maybe you cannot see it, but I can tell that this picture is not quite sharp. So again, the magic is really about the prompting or the instruction about the style of the photo. I'm going to leave all the prompts in the video description. There are many prompts that you could use, and maybe you can try some of them and see which one you think look the best for your use case. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want to see more tutorials like this one, then please subscribe to this channel. In any case, I wish you a great day ahead.